I have a new dash camera to share with you today from VIOFO. This is the A329, 4K in the front, 2K in the back. And this one has the STARVIS 2 sensor. Alright, so inside the box we have our front camera, which is powered by a Type-C. We have our rear camera, our user guide, our little dash thingy, all our little pieces, sticky things, all that stuff that we need. And then we have all our parts. We do have all of our cords. This one also does come with a lens to help with reflections. Alright, so I got it all connected. We have it here on the dash, and then I ran the cord up and through the liner. And then I ran it up and through the liner to the back. And this does have quite a bit of cable left, or we could go back further. And then I installed it out here on my brake light mount. Now I did mount it on the outside, and I did show that there in the beginning. I'm going to correct and say don't do that because it is not waterproof. But I did mount it on the outside because my tinting is so dark. All right, so with it connected, you can easily go in and you can change all your settings right here in the dash cam. You can also rotate your camera. So if your rear one, if you have it where it's showing the opposite or it's showing upside down, you could do a rotate and then it will put it upright for you. But you could go in here and you could change all your settings for your parking modes. You could do parking or time-lapse recordings. It will automatically do your time and everything with the GPS. In order to connect with your phone, you're going to need the VIOFO dash cam app. Put your dash cam into Wi-Fi mode, press and hold. And then we can connect to the camera. So once we're connected, we can do a live view and we can get all of our files from here. You can easily come in here and change all the settings for your dash camera, your video settings. You can change your resolution. Right now I have it in 4K 30 in the front, 2K 30 in the back. Loop recording at 1 minute. And then you can adjust your exposures, your sensors, and everything right here. All right, let's say you want to get a file. We can go ahead and select one that we want, hit that download, and it downloads super fast. I'll drive it around for the next couple of days. I'll get some footage and we'll just see how it looks. All right, so overall, it's a pretty nice dash camera, 4K in the front, 2K in the back. I'm gonna work on getting a hardwire kit for this one. The hardwire kit I have works for a different one, but I will do an updated video with it later, maybe with some other scenes, other weather conditions as well for anybody that wants any of that. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.